In this month of gravy recipes, today I am sharing the recipes of shrimp Thai red curry and chicken Thai green curry. Hello and welcome back to J&J's Food Basket. The two fragrant and flavorful Thai curries today will definitely take your fancy and make for a great weekend brunch idea. For these recipes, you will find the list of ingredients along with links to where I picked mine in the description box below. Let's get cooking. Thai curry refers both to dishes in Thai cuisine that are made with various types of curry paste and to the paste themselves. A Thai curry dish is made from curry paste, coconut milk or water, meat, seafood, vegetables or fruit, and herbs. I am using shrimp and chicken today. You can make these curries veggie by adding vegetables or tofu. These curries go best with plain steamed jasmine rice. So that was another quick video taking you step by step through two easy and very tasty recipes using ingredients available in your own kitchen. Do try it out. Pin and save my recipes on Pinterest at J&JS Food Basket to keep them handy. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to J&J's Food Basket. You can follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Pinterest at J&JS Food Basket. Have a great weekend ahead.